So how to view and copy Wi-Fi password on your iPhone from iOS 16 iPhone now showing your Wi-Fi password in your device. So first of all, this is my Wi-Fi username, Wi-Fi mom. So I want to see this Wi-Fi username password. For that I have to go your setting option and press on Wi-Fi. Press on it, and this is the connected Wi-Fi username. You have to press on this eye icon. Press on this eye icon and ask to join, and this is the password. To show your password, press on this icon and Face ID verification, and this is it. You can easily copy it and share with your friends, or you can check. If you want to see your previous connected Wi-Fi password, then you have to go edit option, edit, then you see all your previous history. Suppose I want to say this password, Sharon password. So press on this icon and press on this icon again. This is the password. This is how you can easily view and copy Wi-Fi password on your iPhone device or iPad. Thank you. Hope you enjoy. Please do subscribe and press like button. Thank you.